So right now I will show you the process for Microsoft Outlook web and app. So first of all, let's create a contact group in Outlook app. Once you are in your Outlook app, just click on this contact or people icon, and here just click on this little arrow icon next to new contact, and here select contact group. And now in this name box, go ahead and just write your contact group name. And now to add members to the group, just click on add members. And here you can add member from @Facebook, you can add member from new email contact, or you can add member from Outlook contacts. So we are going to select this first option here. And here select name only and click on this @Facebook and select this specific Outlook account where you saved all of your contacts, and here you will find all of your contact list. Now go ahead and select one or multiple contacts to add to this specific group. Once you've selected, just click on members and all of your selected contacts will be added to the group. Now just click on OK and your group will be created. And now let's see how to create a new group in Outlook web. So go to your Outlook web and in this left hand menu just click on this people icon, and the same way to create a new group, just click on this drop down next to new contact, and here click on new group, and here write your group name, and you can add here a short description about your group, and your group will be created. Now to see all of your groups, just click on this groups icon, and here we can see the group I just created. And to edit your group, you can click on this edit icon, or to add members, go to members tab, and here you can easily add members by clicking on this add members icon at the top right corner. In this box you have to add the username or user email address whom you want to add to your group.